Welcome to Keto English channel. Today, we will explore the present simple tense, one of the most commonly used tenses in daily life. So, what is the present simple tense? The present simple tense is used to talk about actions that happen regularly, describe habits, state general truths, or refer to permanent situations. Let's look at the structure. First, we'll start with the affirmative form. For most subjects like I, you, we, and they, the structure is simple, subject plus base verb. For example, I play football. You read books. However, when we're talking about third-person singular subjects like he, she, or it, the structure changes slightly. We add s or s to the base verb. He plays football. She reads books. What about negative sentences? In the negative form, we use do not or don't for most subjects and does not or doesn't for he, she, or it, followed by the base verb. I do not play football. He does not play football. Now, let's move on to questions. In the interrogative form, we start with do or does, followed by the subject and the base verb. Do you like pizza? Does she like pizza? When should we use the present simple tense? First, let's talk about habitual actions. We use the present simple to describe actions we do regularly, like routines or habits. For example, I go to the gym every morning. Next, we use the present simple to express general truths. These are things that are always true, no matter what. For instance, the sun rises in the east. The present simple is also used for fixed schedules. This includes scheduled events like timetables. For example, the train leaves at 7 p.m. Finally, let's not forget about common time expressions that often go with the present simple. Words like always, usually, often, sometimes, and every day, per week, per month are frequently paired with this tense. For example, she always drinks tea in the morning.
So, you finished the present simple tense lesson. Now, let's test your knowledge with a 20-question multiple-choice quiz. Don't forget to let Keto know how many questions you got right. He goes to work every day. He is singular, so the verb go takes s to become goes. They don't like spicy food. They is plural, so it uses don't for negation. We go to the park on weekends. We is plural, so it uses the base form go. She always does her homework after dinner. She is singular, so do changes to does. The cat sleeps on the bed during the day. The cat is singular, so the verb sleep takes s to become sleeps. They go to the gym every morning. They is plural, so it uses the base form go. I like tea, but I don't drink coffee. I uses the base form like, without adding s. The sun rises in the east. The sun is singular, so the verb rise takes s to become rises. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. every night. We is plural, so it uses the base form eat. She works very hard every day. She is singular, so the verb work takes s to become works. Neither of them is happy with the decision. The word neither is indeed treated as singular when it is the subject of a sentence, so it should be paired with the singular verb is. The committee meets every Monday at 10 a.m. The committee is treated as a singular noun, so the correct verb form is meets. My family lives in different parts of the city. Family is a collective noun and is considered singular, so it pairs with the verb lives. Neither the teacher nor the students know the answer. The construction neither nor requires the verb to agree with the subject closest to it. In this case, the students is plural, so the verb should be know. Each of the students creates a unique project. Each is a singular subject, so it pairs with the singular verb creates. She, along with her friends, goes to the concert. The subject she is singular, so the correct verb form is goes. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Mathematics is considered a singular noun, so the correct verb is. The news comes on at 7 p.m. every evening. News is a singular noun, so the correct verb form is comes. Everybody arrives to the party on time. Everybody is treated as singular, so it pairs with the verb arrives. A number of students are absent today. The phrase a number of is treated as plural, so it pairs with the verb are.